Okay, hi. So today we're going to be looking at the Nikon Keymission camera. Let's go. So here we are today looking at the Nikon Keymission 360 camera. So I've done this video before and we did it in a 360 aspect, and that's when I first got the camera. But I've had the camera a little while now. And what I've began to understand regarding this Nikon camera is it's a very good camera. It is hard work to work with. The software is extremely hard to use and buggy and slow as hell. The camera itself is nice. It's waterproof, it's strong, you can drop it, the lenses are changeables. The sound quality is fantastic. The picture quality, well, it tends to be absolutely fantastic. Or for some reason, terrible. Sometimes I make a video and it looks amazing, and sometimes it doesn't look amazing. Also, you can't use it in its highest mode because nothing seems to work with it. You can't seem to edit anything. You can't seem to do much, truth be told. But when it rewards so well. Now the reason why I'm back here rather than doing something more exciting is I've done a couple of exciting videos. So you can see what it looks like when you want to use it, and it rewards. It's a great camera, it looks really good. But I thought I'd come back here in the back garden to give you the similar sound as my first video, because now what I have learned is how to edit it. So I think, if I'm honest with you, the 360 camera is kind of dead. There just isn't that many mediums on how we can share this footage compared to a 2D camera. But what's great about a 360 camera is using a feature like this, or as GoPro call it, overcapture. So you're filming everything around. So you can do a big long shot with loads of footage, but you don't have to worry so much about if the camera's in the right place. So providing the camera's there, you should get the shot of whatever you're trying to get. That's what I like about it, and you can do it with this Nikon camera. I like also the Nikon camera has very good audio. Now I hope it's on the right setting, because there is two ones, one with noise reduction and one without. Noise reduction makes it sound like you're in a tunnel, so if I sound like in a tunnel it's because I've used the wrong setting. That's another thing I don't like about the Nikon camera, and a lot of the 360 cameras, if I hold my hands up. The problem is, it seems to be all the settings is on via the app. Not just this camera, even the GoPros and other ones. Very minimal settings you can adjust without the app. So that does become annoying, and when you have an app a bit like the Nikon one, which doesn't always connect, it can become very hard. Another problem with the Nikon I found is the stitch line. So I don't know how I look here now. Just move this chair out of the way, because I think it does kind of level out eventually. So I'm not super close now, but you would be hoping that I would kind of be fine to see. And this is me really close. I'm guessing it's not going to stitch this, although I have used cameras where it has stitched up things that have been practically that close. So we shall see. So I think the stitch lines become poor. And then the next problem I tend to find is with the picture. This picture seems to be like this, and then as I walk around, you kind of sometimes see a line here when we're moving into the second camera, and for some reason they're just slightly different. You don't always notice it, and when you're filming it in free capture like this, you'll probably not even notice it. But yeah, there's some kind of line, isn't there? Here. and it just seems to be one sun on that side and one thing there. That may have changed, and honestly, when I first got the camera and we did this first video, I thought the footage was absolutely shocking, truth be told. But we've put 2 updates on since then, and we've also worked out how to adjust it and cut it and edit it. So anyway, that's my final look at the Nikon Keymission camera. We're going away on Saturday to Spain, and we've got 2 choices: to take the Keymission or to take the GoPro Fusion. I do like the Keymission. I tell you what else I like about it over the GoPro: the price. It's cheap, brand new, £200. Now, £200 is a lot of money, especially for a toy fad camera, which basically it is. But £200 when you drop it is cheaper than £650 when you drop it. And I think I can drop the Nikon and I can fix it, whereas the GoPro, I don't think you can. But we shall see. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this one. It's a bit different than usual, but that's my review of the Nikon Keymission camera.